Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will talk about how to make a dot crosshair in Valorant. So in order to change our crosshair, first we have to go to settings. In the crosshairs tab, click on the crosshair profile, create a new profile. Now you can create a new profile with the dot crosshair. First you have to do is put the outline opacity to 0, then turn on center dot. After that, turn off show inner lines, turn off firing error, as well as show outer line. Then change center dot opacity to 1 and center dot thickness to whatever you prefer. I'll keep it at 4. You can also change the color of the dot to see it better in certain scenarios. And that's it. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.